Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the decoder and checking the LNB voltage. Make sure the dish mount is secure. You should know the approximate azimuth and elevation for your location, so orient the dish roughly toward that heading. Once done, loosen the bolts just enough to move the dish by hand. Make small, controlled course sweeps in 0.5 degrees steps while watching signal meters. This gets you into the signal cone quickly, saving time before fine-tuning. You now use the decoder's signal meter or a handheld meter to find the peak. First, slowly adjust azimuth left and right to catch the strongest rise, then refine elevation with smaller moves because elevation often has a narrower peak. Watch both signal strength and quality. Quality matters more for a stable picture. If you lose the signal, return to the last best reading and try micro adjustments. Make sure you pause after each small move so the meter can stabilize before judging results. You finish by tightening bolts evenly while monitoring the meter to ensure the peak doesn't shift. Then run a channel scan to confirm lock. If the picture drops or is intermittent, inspect the cokes and connectors for corrosion, replace damaged F connectors, and verify LNB skew orientation. Small rotation affects quality. If problems persist, swap in a known good LNB or test the dish setup at another location to isolate the fault. One key tip: always recheck cable continuity and signal after tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.